So we made it to Costco. Nick is doing a return real quick, and Callahan and I are just walking around. A fruit pouch. I love this carpet. That's cute. They have a ton of workout stuff because of the new year. Some bells, some things. They also have some outdoor gear, helmets. Nick and I really want a new treadmill, but we don't know if this is worth it. Alright, we got an apple turnover. Don't put it in your mouth. It's wrapped in plastic, silly. Okay, Mommy gonna grab a sesame.
Hot dog?
Yeah, looks good. They have a ton of furniture right now. This couch is really cute. Some apples here. Berries and blueberries. I don't think we need the blackberries.
Okay.
Got some eggs. There's so many treats here. Should we get him the chicken sticks? Grabbing some cheese here. He is loving this frozen strawberry sample. Salad samples. Callahan tapped his teeth on the ground, but thankfully we have these wipes that I just used. What is that? Costco was crazy as usual. Nick is in Home Depot right now to get some more spray paint so that I can finish painting my closet door. But once we get home, I'll try and do a full Costco haul. Yeah! Got the garlic naan bread. We got their mix and match bagels. We got sesame, and then I got cinnamon raisin. We got some black ink to refill our printer. Better deals at Costco. And then some more tortillas. Alright, we also got a 3-pack of the marinara sauce. This is organic. And it rated 100 out of 100 on the Yuka app, which is pretty awesome. And then we got some black beans. Our little guy loves black beans, which is so good because it's high in iron. And then we saw this. We love Canada Dry, and we haven't tried this flavor before. It's black cherry. Oh, sorry, blackberry. So, very excited to try this. So, in the cooler, we had some cheese, cheddar cheese, some organic Greek yogurt for Callahan. Got some of our favorite granola to have with some yogurt. And then got some strawberries, this whole ground beef log. Got some chicken, blueberries, and usually this whole grocery haul will last us about a month and a half-ish. What we do is separate the meat and then we freeze it. So like basically we meal prep. We did buy a couple snacks that we usually don't get, like this pomegranates. These palms, and then also some steak. For meat wise, we usually just get like chicken and ground beef. Something we usually don't get are their meals that they already have prepped, but we are having some friends over, so we got some chicken pot pie. That's good. Alright, so for dinner I am making a beef quesadilla for Callahan, probably for all of us. I'm sitting here with the little guy having dinner. This is how much he's eaten so far. Hello. He skipped his first nap, unfortunately, and then he napped for 45 minutes on the way home. But once we got home, I think it was like around 2, we've been just keeping him up. Usually his last nap is at 2, but he'll just go to bed a little bit early today. I used to stress about him not taking naps and not having the correct wake windows, but like as time went on, obviously I got more lenient about wake windows because it's just different every day depending on like what he's doing and how active he is. And then I've also just been letting go of the naps. I mean, one day is not going to hurt him if he misses both naps, if he misses one nap. So I don't stress anymore about it. But the rest of the evening, I think we are just going to hang out, have some playtime, and then just an early bedtime routine. Alright, Callahan's corner has been a mess the last couple days because I've been putting off cleaning it and switching out toys. So I'm going to at least just clean it up today and then switch out toys, like do a toy rotation tomorrow morning. Alright, we're having our last bottle of the day, watching some YouTube with Mommy, and then we are going to take a bath and go to sleep. I'm gonna get the bath ready first. Alright, and now we're gonna get some pajamas. Let's see. We'll just wear this Thomas the Train set. Alright, and we're all out of our favorite diapers. I think there's just one more left in there, but I need to restock these. We use the freestyle diapers during the day and then Millie Moon at night. Yeah. Kylo's hanging out with us. Alright, I am doing my nighttime skincare routine. Callahan is slowly falling asleep, but I always double cleanse, so I'm using this cleansing balm from Peace Out Skincare and my Anti-Lee face cleanser. This is one of my favorites and it's a clean beauty brand, so definitely recommend. Almost done with this thing. Yeah, pretty much just finished it. And it's just like a gel cleanser. It's really nice. It's all on the skin. Tonight I'm testing out a new serum. It's from the brand called Ursula. It's their Deep Hydra Serum. It's total hydration and plumping serum. Definitely feels hydrating and so refreshing. And last but not least, that was SAHM moisturizer. This is the ultimate anti-aging moisturizer. I used this as soon as I got this in the mail, and they actually reformulated it to be extra hydrating, so my dry skin this winter has been loving this. Alright, so Nick is actually not feeling good and he's already in bed, so I'm actually going to take this time to myself and just relax. I'm going to change out of the shirt. I'm going to change out of the sweatshirt into like my pajama t-shirt or just like something else. Make myself some ice cream, do some online shopping, and just watch some TV. Alright, good morning. We have a little bit of a late start today. When I say late start, I mean as in late start to recording. Callahan already had his bottle. He is just about finishing up his breakfast, do some playtime, and I'm going to clean up a little bit. Sunday is, at least for me, my reset day, so I clean up whatever needs to be cleaned around the house. And then he'll have his nap around like 10:30. Put it there. Good job. Orange. Alright, we're about to go for a walk with the fam. It's really cold outside, so I'm gonna get Callie in this little suit here. Yeah, those are your toes. We gotta put the socks on you first. Thank you. Chip chip cheerio. Oh, the snow. Kyla's so happy. There's a fox that ran across over there, so Kyla's going crazy. It was a nice bright orange fox. It was so cute. Oh, that's cold.
Kyla, look. Ready? You're a blind dog. Come on.
We're going to the grocery store real quick to get smaller things that we weren't able to at Costco. And Nick needs Advil, and I think it would be good to have Advil in the house in general. Because Nick and I get really bad headaches. And then we're gonna get some more milk, bananas for this week, and I think our list is really small. Ooh, look at these Valentine's Day things. Some cake pops, lettuce, tomatoes. Found this thing for 50% off. Getting some Gatorade. This flavor's good. Alright, so for lunch we have a number of things. Blueberries, an apple, black beans, some beef and cheese, and some garlic hummus, or garlic naan with hummus. forgot to film this, but for dinner we have breaded chicken, rice, and carrots. The little guy has some fruit with his and some black beans instead of rice. Is it okay?
It's good.
Someone shared cereal with us for the first time and loves it. So good.